Let's cook chicken tapa. Last night, I cooked our dinner chicken curry. So, I keep 2 pieces breast. So, I slice like this and marinate. So, I have to cook now today for my lunch because now 12 noon. And this is curry last night. So, I will cook now this one for my lunch. And then I have to fry also rice, fried rice. Now I put already oil here in my non-stick pan. So I will put now this one here. Now let's check. I marinate this one. I put soy sauce, vinegar, ground black pepper, salt, then chopped garlics, and 2 tablespoon oil. Still not cooked, so we have to cover again. Now, so let's check again. This is already cooked, so I will transfer now this one because I have to use again this pan for I have to fry the rice in this pan. So I will transfer now this one. I have to turn off first the flame. Now I have to fry now this rice, fried rice. My lunch for today, this is fried rice, and this is chicken tapa, and slices of onions, tomatoes, organic yogurt. This is only for me. For them is chapati for lunch, and this one I have extra last night for chicken curry for their lunch. So I have more fried rice here. So this is enough for me, but I think this is too much. If not finished, then I can eat also dinner. So kain tayo ng lunch. Supposed to be this is my breakfast, but it's too late already because morning time I took only chapati or bread with tea. So this is my lunch. Let's eat lunch everyone. Fried rice. Ayan, bagong luto. And then chicken tapa, organic yogurt from fresh buffalo milk to yogurt. And salad, slices of onions, tomatoes, and water. Alhamdulillah for all the foods for today. After I eat, so this is my dessert. I have to eat with rice, fried rice. It's either mango or banana. Masarap i-ano sa kanin. Pati si Fatma nasanay na sa akin. Inuulam niya itong saging o kaya mangga sa kanin.